Hello and welcome to Forest Drills. In today's video we have just had one night stay here at Hotel Colessio in Stirling. This place is meant to be 4 stars and let me just tell you, this is the furthest thing from 4 stars we've had to experience. So let's go guys. I'll start off at the front door where we have some fire safety information. We've got a peephole and down below we've got our locking system. Just next to that, usually you'd put your key card in that and the lights would come on. However, they must not be in use because the lights do work without it. I'll turn you around and give you a shot of the room. It's absolutely massive and looks beautiful. I'll give you a closer view now. Start off here, got this little lamp sat on top of this little cabinet. Inside, it's empty, but there's plenty of storage space in there, guys. And to the side of that, we have this for unpacking any luggage that you might have. Next to that, there's a massive radiator, and above we've got some nice artwork on the wall. Around here we have the bed itself, which is absolutely huge, and I really love the headboard as well. Gives the room quite a classy feel. To the side though, we've got these nice lamps. I say lamps because there is 2. We'll start on this side though. This bedside table, below there's storage, and inside it's empty but there's more storage. On the other side, take you around, much the same. The drawer, it's empty so I'll not open it. Below, storage, lamp again, and we've got a telephone right there. Behind me we've got this little stool and this little armchair as well. It is quite comfy. We've tried it out. We've got a full length mirror, useful, and we've got this desk area as well, and a TV. There's a lamp. We've got all the goodies here: milk, tea, coffee, kettle. There's usually 2 shortbreads, but Tasha's still one. 2 glasses, and you might notice this did have some strawberries and chocolate on it because this stay is actually part of my birthday from my wife. So they wrote us this lovely card. I'll show you inside. So that was a really nice touch. I'll definitely be keeping that. Pepsi's ours. We've got tissues and this lovely seat. Inside the drawers you can find the hairdryer, and the other ones are empty, so I'll not bother opening them. But over here, that's just some of our luggage we've dumped. But inside you can find a fan, Tasha's trainers. There are some coat hangers, and there's plenty of storage as well. There's also another mirror. If one wasn't enough, there's another. Lovely. Last but not least, I'm going to show you out the window because the view from here is beautiful. I've been wanting to stay here for quite a while. And in the distance there, you can see Wallace Monument just there. And I'll take you over the other one as well just to show you. And this is the view from the other window. And just to my left, up that road, is Stirling Castle. So it's a great location. But next up, I'll take you into the bathroom and give you the tour. let's go. Take you guys into the bathroom and show you around. I'll start off over here at the sink area. Quite like that. Nice, modern. Tap's a little different. Very nice. Got some free toiletries, moisturiser and hand wash by the Scottish Fine Soap Company. Up above we have some ports here for electric shavers. Above that there's this little mirror and there is a big vanity mirror on the wall. Lovely. To the side we have the toilet itself. There's toilet roll, a bin, and there's also some toilet roll on the wall. Now behind me we have the bath. I love this bath. It's huge. There's a bath mat on it and there's also a shower on the wall. You've got your handheld and up above is the rainfall. And in the bath as well, I'll bring you in closer, there is some hair and body wash by Scottish Fine Soap Company as well. I'll also mention I really like the tiles in here. It gives it a really clean feeling. However, there is a radiator with towels and on the wall there is a little hook there for anything you might want to hang up. Lovely. The plot thickens. Room number 2. Let's go. New room. Can you turn the big light on, Tash?
There you go.
Oh my god. It's morning here at Hotel Colessio and you might notice we're in a completely different room. This is because last night when we got the chance to try out the bed in the room we were in, the bed was so bad that I actually had to go to the reception and ask to be put into a new room. The mattress was just atrocious. The springs were just gone. It felt like I'd be as well sitting on the baseboard of the bed. So they moved us to a new room. It's not much better, but that's why the scenery behind me is a little different. So you've seen the room tour. I've not showed you this room because it's probably not even worth showing you, but the price we paid was for a king deluxe room, I believe it's called, and I was actually really looking forward to staying in this hotel. And I'll start off by saying I'm really glad I have stayed in this hotel, just to say that I'll never be back. The price we got on a fantastic deal. It was booking.com, I believe, and it cost £125 for the one night. We snapped up that deal because usually this place is upwards of £200, and as I previously mentioned, it's meant to be 4 stars. It's absolutely not worth £200 plus price bracket that they put themselves in, because so many of the facilities here don't actually work. In the corridor, as you'll see, the carpet's held together by masking tape. And again, that's a bit weird. 4-star hotel, tape on the carpets. And the rooms themselves, a lot of the furniture is very, very tired. The beds are the worst hotel beds I've ever tried out. The springs are just, they're gone. There's no springs left in these beds. And I honestly, when I say I'd probably have a better sleep on the carpet, I mean that. They're just bad. The bathrooms, when you turn on the light in the bathroom, the fan is so loud. So if you're a light sleeper and someone's going to use that bathroom, you're going to probably wake up because it's really loud. And the lighting in the room itself, the little light up there, I don't know what that's achieving. If it wasn't for the 1, 2, 3, 4 lamps in this room, you probably would really struggle to see, especially in the evening time. There's also this. As you can see, it's broken. It's meant to be attached there to cover that, but instead, yeah, 4-star. They do provide you with a fan, and that is 100% necessary. I'm really glad that they've done that because the rooms are also extremely warm. This place was like a sauna at night time. We had the windows cranked open, we had the fan on, and this is only May. The temperature here is about 15 degrees, 16 degrees tops during the day. At night time, this place must have had the heating on full blast within the hotel. The room heating wasn't on, but the hotel was so warm, so we really did struggle to get a good night's sleep. I'll move on to the positives. This place is quite beautiful, and the staff here are extremely friendly. The fellow that moved me rooms, he couldn't have been more apologetic, and I do understand it's not his fault that the mattresses are so poor. He was great. Any member of staff that we've spoke to have been lovely, and the location itself, I understand that is a lot to do with the price on these rooms. The location is just down from Stirling Castle, and it's a really old part of Stirling City. It is beautiful. All the surroundings around here, perfect. Would I recommend this place? The question I do like to ask is, was it rubbish or was it worth it? And it was rubbish. If you are looking for a 4-star hotel in Stirling, this isn't the one for you. Unfortunately, we're still on the hunt for a great hotel in Stirling, and I had my hopes up high for this one, because I've seen it quite some time ago. It's not worth it. Rubbish, guys. If you've watched to this point though, and you haven't clicked down below and clicked that subscribe button, then please do, and if you can, drop a thumbs up on the video for us. We've been Forest Thrills. Hope you've enjoyed watching, and until next time, see you guys again.